In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 rules that you need to follow to get the best clients. Rule number 3, make sure you have a client who has a problem that you can and want to fix. A lot of times as creators, we can do a lot of things. We can do photo, we can do video, we can do graphics, but do we want to do those things? So make sure that the problem that they have is something that you want to fulfill. This might be an opportunity for you to refer somebody else and expand your network rather than taking on a task that you don't actually want to do. Rule number 2, make sure they are willing to trust and follow your process. There are some people who have a lot of communication or a little bit of communication, but be sure that that client is willing to follow the process that you have for completing the work that they have requested. With my clients, I have a number of checks and systems that we need to go through in order to approve the content that I do for them, and I walk my clients through that. And if they're unwilling to utilize the platforms and softwares that I have to ensure that they get my best quality work, we might not be the best fit. So make sure they're willing to follow the things that you need to be successful for them. Rule number 1 is make sure you have the opportunity to have repeat business. There's nothing like having a client that you can either put on a retainer or you have an opportunity to do things maybe on a bi-yearly or yearly basis. Opportunities to work with a client more than one time is an amazing opportunity for you to have a great relationship and also for them to be able to share more information with their network. So these have been 3 rules that you need to have some of the best clients to continue to build out your business, expand your network, and earn some income.